Are you ready? Are you ready?
What is up, YouTube? Go ahead and hit those likes, hit those A's,
and hit those subscribe buttons as much as you can, man, so you can see what's up with your boy Arca. What's up? Oh, Tarkov, what's up, man? Good to see you here already. I love it, man. I love it. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you so much for saying hello. What is up, team? What is up? We have the countdown screen up, and they're all unnecessary, right? Let's get this up and rolling. So, guys, I'm gonna share with you what the hell is happening here with Tesla, right? So, reached a high of 192, and the boy is actually back to 185 on some massive decline. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness in heaven! This is absolutely showing some huge weakness, right? Let me just make sure that we are streaming on that right screen, right? So let's just go ahead and see what exactly happens here, right? Because this is an enormous decline from that 192 top. So YouTube, please go ahead and hit those A's in the chat so that I know that you are hearing my voice, right? And oh man, there we go with the ads thing again. We have to go ahead and try to adjust that real quick. Oh my goodness, man. Let's see. Yeah, they do, brother. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the. So I only have around 6 minutes left here for the stream on YouTube, team. So go ahead and please, consider hitting that subscribe button for the ArcaBulls Trading Team, right? So let me just go ahead and put that in there, right? You should be getting it in the chat right about now. All right, so go ahead and hit that link, join the team, and yeah, everything will be pretty cool and from there. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and take a look at a couple things here, right? The ES is going to be a little bit of an important thing to go over, right? So we're already failing. Yeah, we're already failing that inflection that we spoke about last night. The 49.50 was likely the, let's see. Yeah, man. Oof, my goodness. So we're experiencing a downside here. This upside may actually, I don't think it's got a lot to recover at this point. Maybe it's got a top side of around 49, actually a range. It's between 49.34.25 and about 49.38.25. And then from there, I think another 15-point drop will start happening to test that SMA 50 on the hourly time frame. Now, the hourly time frame, let's see if we can pull up something else on this, right? Let me look at the 5-minute on this. Oh, man. Yeah, the 5-minute time frame is on a complete reversal here. 5-minute time frame death cross happening already where the SMA 50 crosses below the SMA 200, looking extremely dangerous there. Now, let's look at the hourly time frame linear regression band, right? Okay, so this is going to be our temporary target right down here at around 4. Yeah, it's testing the very bottom of the price action here, around 49.20. Right, this kind of volatility is present, and it's definitely showing some weakness in the market, right? But we were expecting this potential already. We were expecting a quick little false breakout and then a drop, right? So kind of, Coin, I don't know if you can tell me, right? But kind of like what we expected already, right, my brother? But let's see what else we got. Off-grid gorilla is right, my brother.
That's what we were saying. 49.20s, very possible. So
nice.
We're right there. It looks like even on a 5-minute, it looks like we're gonna have a 5-wave down, right? We already got 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably gonna hit the gas on the way down at the open.
100%. That's what I'm seeing too, my brother. So what I want to do is pull up. Let me see if I can pull up Meta as well, because that's also, kind of showing some of that weakness. And so, oh man, I was thinking this thing was going to reach 460, 459, 60, right around there, right? So we definitely got 469, 465.69 entering this massive liquidity bubble there. So it could have been a big bull trap, and now we're actually, we're actually experiencing some downside here. Immediate supports, of course. We already talked about this. We experienced these supports at or we're gonna experience the supports at 455.86 and 455.55, right? So 459.55. So there could be a short-term bounce to that 459.45 before we can continue to the downside here, right? So the immediate short-term inflection point we want to break is, of course, first of all, yeah, your hourly low, which would be the 456.37, but in reality, it's going to be the one route right down here at 453.03. As soon as we start clearing below that, it's going to be a little bit of lights out, so to speak, right, Coin? So, but yeah, team, I really appreciate everybody for coming on by. This looks like a massive hourly time frame tweezer top paired with some. It also looks like a little bit of a shooting star and a hammer and a hanging man. But the hanging man usually best looked up here, right? Not quite the best setup as a hanging man, but yeah, tweezer top for sure. We're experiencing some weakness here. Expect a little bit of a bounce here. If you are long this, I would immediately, take profit, not financial advice, and that's for your simulator trade, right, team? So we just have a couple of minutes here left, right? So please, let's let me go ahead and take a look at the chat over here because I'm not seeing what they're doing. Good morning, Mario. Good morning to you, my brother. So I'm gonna go ahead and what's up, Eric? I'm going to go ahead and invite you guys one more time here. Hit that link so that you can subscribe to the ArcaBulls Trading Team and come by and trade with some very talented people here. Aside from this, it looks like Amazon was the other one in play, and very interesting that we're actually not getting too much of an effect from whatever is happening with Meta, right? So, yeah, there's some weakness here. I think overall, yeah, maybe actually we're crossing beneath that SMA 50 now. We're testing the EMA 9 as resistance, this midline here, and this bottom side of around 168.69 was that chop zone, right? So failing this area of 168.69 would introduce some bottom side targets here, starting with that 167.42 short-term bounce to around 168.58, followed by testing the actual 5-minute inflection, which would be 166.65. That 166.65 shows up and we break that. The SMA 200 is next at 164.69. It's going to be 1 point at a time, but this thing feels a little bit weak. I would just be very careful in the markets moving forward. Okay, team, please be very careful and mind your positions, mind your risk management, and know that the markets could shift at any moment. But yeah, I think everything was looking a little too frothy here for a minute there. So there may be a massive continuation to the downside overall. Okay, team. So I know I didn't actually look at Apple real quick, but it's all good. Let's see. Yeah, Apple.
Chips are still up.
Tell me about
chips are still up.
Chips are still up, right?
AMD, Nvidia, still up. Yep.
Yeah, those are going to be your, it's all good. Blue chips are still chilling. We have actually Apple starting to convert the EMA 20 on the 5-minute into a resistance. The SMA 50 may be the go for the bottom side right here, right? So the 181.53, maintaining that bottom side on that would be kind of ideal for the Bears and very, very much unideal for the Bulls, right? So I think that's going to do it for today's analysis here, team. Please remember to hit that link in the chat so that you are able to join the ArcaBulls Trading Team and trade alongside some very talented people here. But I really appreciate everybody on YouTube for coming on by. I love you guys so much. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing signed out. So take care, team. Good luck. And I'll see you inside of the ABT trading room. All right, you guys. Peace. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your day. And I will catch you at the bell manana. Adios, team. Oh yeah.